Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another plan with me for you for the week of November 15th through November 21st of 2021. Yes, I am still in my 2021 planner and I am so sorry. It's taken me forever to catch up and I'm not sure I really ever will catch up, but it is what it is, I guess. This kit was the sweater weather kit from the Organizing Companion, and I feel like if you remember the Organizing Companion, you have been in the planner community for a long time. This is one of the first few kit purchases, I think, overall that I ever made. I purchased this when I was still trying to figure out my planning style, and then once I got it in the mail, it was so pretty. I really didn't want to mess up my spread or mess up using this kit when I hadn't really figured out how to do a spread with a kit yet. So it's been sitting in my collection since, I'm trying to remember how old this kit is. 2015, 2016, somewhere around there. Or I guess it had been sitting in my collection since like 2015, 2016. So this kit was like probably 5 years old at least by the time I got around to using it in 2021. So like it was an old kit in 2021. That's how long this has been sitting in my collection, or had been sitting in my collection at that point. But I decided it was finally time to use it. I feel like a couple of years prior, so like 2019, 2020, I was debating using this kit and it kept getting bumped for other things that I was more excited about and less worried about ruining. And then I think I sort of got myself into a rut of like, there are certain kit shops whose kit formats that I'm very familiar with, like Scribble Prints Co., Caress Press, Sticky Essentials. And I think I just sort of got out of the habit of branching out from those three shops for a while. And I don't know, didn't really know how to branch back into kits that I'm less familiar with the formats. But that was just, yet another excuse that I had for myself not to use this kit. But I finally used it in 2021, and that was way too long of an explanation for using this kit. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope that you all had a safe and healthy New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. I would expect most people to be starting to get back to work at this point. So if you are back to work already, I'm right there with you, first of all. And second of all, I hope that you going back to work has been not so stressful. I know it's always kind of like weird the first couple of days you go back to work and it's like, where was I? What was I doing? How do I do this again? So I'm kind of stuck in that today. Today is Tuesday, January 3rd when I'm recording this voiceover, and that's kind of the headspace that I'm stuck in. So I hope that you all had a safe, healthy New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and I hope that you all have a fantastic 2023. I know we're only 3 days into it, well, 4 days by the time you guys probably see this video, but I am hoping that every year gets a little bit better, hopefully. I don't know. The last 3 years have just felt like a giant blur to me, and just a blur of just a mess all the time. So I don't know, maybe I just need to not have expectations for 2023 and then we'll just go into it not knowing what's going to happen, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll be a little bit better. We'll see. I completely skipped over so many things in the setup of this spread. I'll just very quickly mention a couple things right here. So first, all of the date dots are from my newest addiction. I pulled in a bunch of headers, glitter headers from Scribble Prints Co. Why did I say headers weird there? I'm sorry. I did pull in water trackers from Glam Planner. The Bite Guard script is from Kinzi's Creations, and then the November script is from Letters to Apollo. So with all that out of the way, we're moving into Monday. The first thing that I marked was that it was trash day. The icon came with the kit, and the script is from Planner Just For You. Then I marked working from home. The flag is from Clever Gal Crafts, and the script is from Kinzi's Creations. It's been a while since I've used that block script in my planner from Kinzi's Creations. I really should pull those in more often. Anyway, then I marked recording a voiceover. The microphone sticker is from Harriet Wright Designs, and the script is from Planner Just For You. That evening, I wanted to get some editing done. The laptop sticker is from Planning Like a Pro. The script is from Kinzi's Creations. Then I marked taking a bath. The bath bomb sticker is from Planning Roses, I think. And then the script again is from Kinzi's Creations. And then for dinner that evening, we got ahi poke, or poke from a local place called Ahi. And I just pulled in a poke bowl sticker from Hey Soul Sticker. I also pulled in my Symbolion permanent marking pen to write on all of the stickers. One thing I should mention about the organizing companion kits, not that you can buy them anymore. Her shop has been closed for literally years at this point. But all of her stickers were printed on this it's almost like a semi-gloss paper, but they're also printed with a laser printer. So unless you've got a permanent marker, there's no way you're going to write on that paper and expect it to stick. So yeah, I just pulled in my usual Symbolion permanent marking pen. I do want to mention, because this is my second time actually recording this voiceover. I had recorded one version of this voiceover before Christmas, and then I was lazy over the holiday break and didn't edit or upload any videos. So I'm re-recording the voiceover just because it felt too far removed and I wasn't sure I would be happy with that. But anyway, I can't remember if I mentioned it in that previous version of this voiceover or if I mentioned it in a different video. But the Symbolion permanent marking pen that I use, I purchased off of AliExpress. Now, the link that I purchased it from is still active. That shop is still open, and I didn't have any issues with it, and I purchased from them more than once. But that being said, I haven't purchased these pens in quite a while. It's been a couple of years since I've purchased a Symbolion permanent marking pen. So it is an AliExpress link because that's where I purchased it from, but because it is AliExpress, purchase at your own risk, I guess. I feel like I need to say that whenever I add any AliExpress links. Anyway, there's that out of the way. I completely missed Tuesday, and I'm almost done with Wednesday at this point. So I'm just going to go in and try to explain things very quickly. I worked on Tuesday. I marked it the same way that I did on Monday. I got sushi from my local grocery store for lunch. The sushi sticker is from Planning Like a Pro. I was feeling very stressed or like everything was on fire, and I used a This Is Fine Maru from Paper and Milk. I got Tropical Smoothie Cafe for dinner. The cup sticker is from the Sticker Oki, and then I did some planning that evening. The planner sticker is a super old one from SPC, and the script is from Kinzi's Creations. On Wednesday, I was feeling like a hot mess, so I used the period Steamy from Wonton and a Million and script from Kinzi's Creations. I marked working from home the same way that I did on Monday. I did some more editing. The laptop is from Planning Like a Pro. The edit script is from Planner Just For You. And then I snuggled my kitty. The Snuggle Kyo script is a custom from Kinzi's Creations, who is no longer open, and the cat sticker is from the Stickie Committee. On Thursday, I marked work the same way that I did on Tuesday because I went into the office. I also had a migraine. I used this dead-looking Maru from Paper and Milk to mark that, along with a script from Kinzi's Creations. I was also watching Arcane, so I marked that. I had to do some sort of computer work. I have no idea what it is because I didn't write anything down, but the laptop sticker is from Planning Like a Pro, and then I snuggled with my Maisie girl. The Shih Tzu sticker is from the Stickie Committee, and the script is from Kinzi's Creations. Moving on to Friday, I used a payday script. I believe that is from Kinzi's Creations on one of the freebies that I got from her. The money sticker, I have no idea where that's from. I am so sorry. I have no idea. I know it was leftovers from a monthly kit, but I have no idea what kit that was from, other than it was rose gold. And I think on the sheet itself, I had cut off the part where it said who made the sticker, so I'm sorry about that. I worked from home, marked that the same way that I did on Monday, Wednesday. I did a Lush pickup and used another bath bomb sticker from Planning Roses. I walked around 12 Oaks, which is a mall near me, and just used a shoe sticker from the kit. I got some sort of sushi bowl from Oishi, which is kind of local to me sushi restaurant. So I pulled in the bowl sticker from Plans with Vanessa, I think. Then I did a Target run. The bag sticker is from SPC and the script is from Letters to Apollo. We also got boba that day, and the boba couple sticker is from Wonton in a Million. And then I was playing Pokemon, and the Switch sticker is from Sticky Sloth Designs. Whew. Okay, moving on to Saturday. I had a lazy morning, so I pulled in a coffee cup sticker that came with the kit and script from Kinzi's Creations. Then I needed to make a couple of runs to CVS and Walgreens, and that checklist and the icon are both from the kit. I played some more Pokemon that day and pulled in another Switch sticker from Sticky Sloth Designs. And then I had trouble getting everything straight in the second half of Saturday, but then I marked that we got Noodles and Company, so I pulled in this Noodles takeout sticker from Wonton in a Million. I also had a ballet class that evening and just pulled in a heart icon. I think that's from the same sheet as that money bag sticker that I mentioned earlier. I watched more Arcane after that for the evening. I really enjoyed Arcane. If you haven't seen it, it's on Netflix and it is quite good. Very emotional, I feel like. I don't know. At least I was very emotional by the end of that show. On Sunday, the first thing that I marked was that I slept in. The steamy sticker is from Wonton in a Million, and the sleep in script is from Paper and Milk. Then I baked some banana chocolate chip muffins, which I have been meaning to do for literally weeks now, and every time I go to do it, I'm just like, nope, I'm too tired, can't do it. I'm craving them though. But anyway, the muffin sticker is from Paper and Milk. Then we celebrated Thanksgiving with my in-laws. That dinner sticker is from Wonton in a Million. And then I was playing more Pokemon, Brilliant Diamond. So I just marked that again with another Switch sticker from Sticky Sloth Designs, I think. So that is pretty much it for this spread, and a little Viv Wiggle to show off the minimal foil that I have in there. Here's everything that I have left in the kit. I hope you are all doing well and taking good care, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Here's to a better 2023. Have a good one.